Hello, my name is Danielle Skeldon. I'm the reference librarian at the Jesse Smith Library in Harrisville, Rhode Island. Today I'm going to do a really quick tutorial on how to use the A to Z database in AskRI.org in order to do a phone lookup. So you're going to want to start on a home page similar to this. If you're not in Google, you can key AskRI.org up in the top URL search bar, and that'll work out just fine. But I'm going to plug it right into the search bar there. Brings me to AskRI.org, Rhode Island's online reference center. Give it a click, brings us to the AskRI.org landing page. You just scroll down, and while there's a ton of different databases here, we're going to choose A to Z databases today. This is their landing page. There are a number of different types of searches and things and services available here, but for our purposes today, we're just going to I'm going to show you how to look someone up by their name in order to find a phone number. So oftentimes when someone would call and ask us for a phone number, this is where we go. We don't go digging looking for phone numbers. This is just like a phone book. So if someone comes up in here, we can give this information. It's public domain. So basically all you do is you need to key in a name. So I'll just choose John Smith because I don't want to look up anyone specific really. And let's say they live in Providence and in Rhode Island. So with these search bars, and just a little tip, if you click on the drop down and then you hit the letter R, it'll bring you right to Rhode Island. So then you just click on it instead of having to type in the whole word or scroll through the whole thing. So then if you just hit search, it'll give you your results. So as long as you have the address for the person that you're looking for, or maybe you just forgot their number, you normally know it, this is a good way to find someone. So if you were looking for John Smith on Hartford Avenue, this is John Smith on Hartford Avenue. It's not showing that there's a phone number listed. You can click on residential record and it gives you all of this information, but it's, you know, I don't know if it would be the John Smith that you were looking for. There's several John Smiths out there. There's different phone numbers here. Could try Jane Doe. In Wakefield. No records found. I'm not surprised. But this is how you would do it. So you just want to go to the A to Z database, find a person, and search. You don't want to click on search by phone because you would need their phone number to do that. You want to click on find a person, plug in their name, and then the city they're in and the state they're in, and hit search. And hopefully you'll find who you're looking for. Okay, this has been a JMS tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.